So you just spent hours, if not the whole day, perfecting your gunfight, trying to make the gunshots look as realistic as possible. If the sound isn't as realistic as the visuals, it's not going to translate on film. Let's go on to the actual gunshot. Just because we have a gunshot that sounds realistic doesn't mean that that's where it's going to end. So that's where we can layer crazier sounds on under it. And you see how it just adds a little bit of weight. Now we need to do the bullet whizzing. We want to add the impacts, and we want this to be tight. These are really starting to sound great. We just got to get these blood splatters. Brains pretty much go everywhere. And that's it. 19 regions. In order to create realistic gunshots, you need to be layering their sounds. My name is Jared Otto. This was Audio Design Desk, and check back later for more tutorials.